Jazz Pharmaceuticals just released their quarterly results, and the stock spiked up here on the highs. Now, the closing price was 174.98, no doubt. Okay. And then you can clearly see that that high bar right there on that release was exactly, let me find out that price. It shot up to the highs here, and that high was 179.20, which was $5 above the closing price. Now, we are hitting lows in here right now at the price down here of 168. It just opened that bar right now. It's 169 and some change. And we can clearly see what that drop is like. So this stock over the last few years has probably been one of the best trading stocks in the world. And that we are reaching a point where the earnings are getting saturated. Okay, we did have that preliminary number on Jazz. One thing that we want to say clearly is that they missed by 6 cents, because they did. Capital IQ consensus estimate of $1.78 versus $1.72. Okay, now they're talking about what they've been doing in here, and the revenues are light. Okay, so in the ending quarter, the fourth quarter of 2013, compared to other quarters, was weak. So one of the things that we're going to do is we're going to go through these earnings and dissect them. Like I said, this particular stock right here has been a Wall Street favorite, and it was a very good investment over the last few years. And basically, every time that it does sell off, as it is doing now, it's created a buying opportunity. However, we need to find out more about the earnings. And we will when they do the conference call. That will be the next stage here. I just want you to see that this thing went straight up to $79 and it's down $12 from that peak right here, as it is. So, once again, we're going to find out what they have to say on the conference call, and then we'll update from that point on. I can say, though, that it really had that number, that release number, the headline number, really spiked it. And then, bam, they found out how good it was not in Jazz. So, the thing that we'll do is we're going to find out a lot. We do know, though, Executive Vice President and the CFO has resigned from the company. Uh-oh. Let me repeat that. Matthew Young, Senior Vice President of Corporate Development at the company, has been appointed Senior Vice President and CFO. Now, we're going to have to find out more about who is on that board there. And why is it all of a sudden when a company has done this well that we're getting 2 people resigning from the company? There has to be something to this kind of deal. And so we'll just find out. The chairman and chief executive was Mr. Young at Jazz Pharmaceuticals in early 2013. So once again, we got 2 big executives leaving the company. Now, there's always a reason for that.